How to sign out of Dream League Soccer 2026. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are on Dream League Soccer 2026 and trying to sign out but not sure where to start, here's how you can do it in a few simple steps. First things first, open the Dream League Soccer 2026 game on your device, and once you're inside the main menu, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top left corner. Tap on it, and once you're inside, click on the advanced button at the bottom right corner, and on the next page, click on the connected button right next to sign in with Google at the top. After you tap the arrow right next to connected, you will see this sign out button in the pop-up. Click on it. Soon after you do that, you'll be signed out of the game. If you ever want to switch accounts or troubleshoot login issues, this is the exact process you'll come back to. So that is how it's done. You can always sign back in again by following the instructions. Simply click on the arrow right next to disconnected and click on yes and follow through the instructions. Choose your Google account and enter your credentials and you'll be signed back in. So that is how you log out or sign out of Dream League Soccer 2026. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.